I just want to say thank you to CourseCREEK. This experience from the beginning to the end has been phenomenal. In working with Robert, and working with Shibs, and working with Sweta, and then coming to Boise, working with Steph and Carrie. It's been an amazing experience. I've really enjoyed being able to be a part of this team, this production team, and making this product a real good product. So thank you, CourseCREEK, for all that you've done. I know that we're going to have an amazing product that not only we're going to be proud of, that you're going to be proud of. And it's going to do some good things for drivers out there in the world. Thank you so much.